Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019. And if you need to find the fuse for the headlight, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. It's actually a little bit hidden. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So you guys will think naturally that that fuse will be located under the hood, okay, in the fuse box that's located in the engine compartment here, right? That's what you will naturally think, that it will be in this one. But you're actually, guys, wrong. It's not there. It's actually part of the body control module. The body control module, okay, actually controls all the electronics on the vehicle, including, okay, headlights, ABS, traction control, all that stuff. So if you come right here now, okay, on the passenger side, we remove that cover right here. We have a special video that explains where are the fuse boxes located on Ford C-Max. It will teach you about every single fuse box. You have 3 fuse boxes, guys. If you come right here and you look at it now, okay, this right here, okay, let me position everything good. The fuse that we need to actually find is fuse number 74. And 74 will be, you see the fuse number will be next to the fuse on the right side. That fuse right here, guys, okay, that 15 amp fuse, the first fuse on the third row from left to right, the very top fuse, that's fuse number 74, guys. Okay, right there. You can see where it's located. That's the fuse, 74. So that's for your headlights. If you have problems with the headlights, check that fuse. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.